Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hoka Mach 6 Running Shoe. The Hoka Mach 5 earned the Runner's World Gold Medal from us for its supreme versatility as an everyday trainer. Substantial enough to support you for a long run, but quick enough to spur you as you ramp up the tempo for the final few miles. It was so effective, in fact, that we got worried when we found Hoka had reworked the entire design for the Mach 6. It turns out we had no reason to worry. We love the new version too. The Mach is back, baby, said Dengate, pumped about the Hoka Mach 6. Our wear testers were also impressed with the new and improved design. Hoka managed to thicken the midsole by 8 mm both fore and aft without adding any weight to the shoe. That's no small feat. The secret sauce is Hoka's supercritical EVA foam compound, which now composes the entire midsole, rather than only half. More porous than conventional ethylene vinyl acetate, supercritical makes the shoe lighter and more responsive, enabling speed without cutting out comfort. They feel very soft, but in a responsive way, not a sink-your-feet-in way, said one wear tester, a collegiate runner. I got in some pretty solid long runs, which progressed nicely in pace, and these shoes felt great at each one of those paces. The company put a durable rubber back on the outsole, which should help the shoe grip better and last longer. Our testers also loved the Creel Jacquard upper, which puts a soft, comfortable layer of polyester near the foot and wraps that with a stretch-resistant polyester exterior to keep your foot secure. It may be too snug for wider feet, though. The shoe's still relatively narrow, with a pointed shape that may pinch if you have a wide forefoot. Number 2. Under Armour Sonic 7 Running Shoe. A solid training shoe for under $120 is rare these days. With a price of just $110, the Sonic 7's appeal lies largely in its affordability. But its price tag isn't the only thing that makes this trainer worth buying. According to our W testers, it feels comfortable and has a great fit, too. There were times I would finish my runs and forget they were on my feet because they were so comfortable and light, said one. The Sonic 7 features a midsole made from Havre, an Under Armour foam produced from olefin wax that generates a firm, responsive ride. While the cushioning lacks the pillowy softness of other brands' foams, testers felt it absorbed impacts well and provided good energy return for daily training runs or shorter workouts. The Sonic is topped with a Jacquard upper that offers great breathability and has padding on the tongue and ankle collar for an irritation-free fit. There's plenty of durable outsole rubber on the bottom, but testers did experience some slippage in wet conditions. One other potential downside: testers reported the Sonic runs narrow, and because men's feet tend to be wider, you may need to size up in this shoe. Is it the most exciting shoe on the market? Definitely not. Other training models are softer, lighter, and provide more bounce in each step. But the Sonic 7 serves up a reliably comfortable ride for everyday training and casual jogs, and it's a standout bargain. Number 3. Brooks Ghost 16 Running Shoe. In our overarching recommendations for the best running shoes, we named the Ghost as best overall. But the Hoka Mach 6's lower weight and peppy feel give it an edge as a best overall shoe for men. So why should guys choose the Ghost? It's an amazingly versatile workhorse trainer and an ideal, just get this, solution for so many runners. Durable, cushioned, responsive, and offering a great fit, the Ghost has long been a common pick for everyone from total beginners to experienced athletes looking for a reliable training shoe. The 16th iteration maintains everything we love about the Ghost while swapping in some high-performance upgrades. The midsole is now made from nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 foam, which gives the Ghost improved shock absorption and energy return. The Ghost also wears a new mesh upper with a well-padded tongue and ankle collar for a secure, comfortable fit. The shoe has plenty of rubber on the bottom for confident footing on the pavement and high-mileage durability, and the outsole is segmented to boost the shoe's flexibility, so you get smooth transitions in each stride. It all adds up to a shoe that feels good through a wide range of paces and helps you glide through training miles, and our W testers really liked it. The padding around the ankle collar along with the midsole cushioning made running on roads feel easy and enjoyable, said one. Number 4. New Balance Fresh Foam X 880 V15 Running Shoe. The 880 is a veteran in the New Balance lineup, and our W testers describe it as a Goldilocks shoe, a cushioned trainer that works well at a wide range of paces. Testers universally praised the 880's cushioning, with one comparing it to running on pillows. The shoe features a midsole made from Fresh Foam X, New Balance's softest EVA-based foam, for a well-cushioned ride. Although it's a neutral shoe, the 880's stable, planted ride and snug fit earned the appreciation of our testers, with multiple runners saying they felt very secure while wearing it. The engineered mesh upper is accented with generous padding around the ankle collar and on the tongue, which contributes to that comfy, secure feel. On the bottom, patches of rubber under the forefoot and heel provide solid durability and decent grip, though a couple of testers reported slips on wet pavement. Overall, the 880 is a down-for-anything trainer that, in the words of one tester, strikes the perfect balance between comfort, support, and performance. It feels great through all kinds of workouts. From easy jogs to long runs and up-tempo efforts, a rare feat that makes this model a particularly strong choice in the crowded daily trainer category. Number 5. Saucony Peregrine 15 Running Shoe. Now in its 15th iteration, the Peregrine is a capable all-rounder trail shoe with solid grip and a responsive ride, and it has been a popular pick among trail runners for years. We named the Peregrine 14 as our favorite trail shoe last year, and the 15 improves on its predecessor in a few small but important ways. Cushioning-wise, the Peregrine 15 retains the EVA-based Peregrine midsole and plush Peregrine Plus sockliner of previous iterations. But Saucony made the Peregrine foam softer, so you'll get a little more shock absorption with each footfall. At just 28 mm tall in the heel, however, the Peregrine is definitely not a max cushion trainer, so you'll get a good feel for the ground and a firm base for powerful toe-offs. The other big change is on the outsole. Saucony reformulated the Protract rubber to boost the shoe's grip and durability, and it now completely covers the bottom of the shoe. That could be a response to one complaint about the 14, an area of exposed midsole foam that would wear down and split. The outsole also has toothy 5 mm lugs for digging into dirt, so you'll have confident footing on the trail. Finally, the shoe has a mesh upper for good breathability, and overlays across the forefoot and sides protect your feet from rocks, brush, and debris. With its emphasis on grip and responsiveness, the Peregrine performs well on all kinds of off-pavement outings, from casual trail jogs to long backcountry adventures. Bonus: it's available in wide sizes and in a water-resistant GTX version, too.